just a mere icon of faith and devotion. He is her personal anchor, her strength, her beacon of light, who has guided her through the ups and downs of life. Since 2004, when she made history as the first woman governor of Cebu, she has made a solemn vow to offer the Sinulog dance prayer each year for her beloved Cebu and the Cebuanos. In 2005, she first graced the Sinulog stage, sharing the spotlight with the multi-awarded San Diego Dance Company. In 2006, she danced as a Maranao princess with the Haladaya Festival of Daan Bantayan and as the Egyptian Queen Adia of Nubia in 2007. In 2008, she embodied the goddess of the sea with the Palawud Festival of Bantayan. In 2009, she joined the Tostado Festival of Santander. And in 2010, she led the Anianihan Festival dancers from Tabuelan, ever more determined to show that faith, like tradition, could never be dimmed. In 2011, Governor Garcia didn't just dance on the grand stage. She marched with the Bonga Festival dancers through the streets of Cebu City, hand in hand with now President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr., embodying the spirit of unity and faith, moving as one through the crowded streets, with her heart full of gratitude. In 2012, she graced the Sinulog stage once again, this time in a Spanish-inspired costume, dancing alongside the La Torta Festival contingent of Argao, a moment that felt both dramatic and historical. But it was in 2013, during the darkest of days, that Governor Garcia showed the world the true meaning of faith and devotion. After holding up at the capital for almost a month, following her politically motivated suspension, she braved the streets of Cebu, abandoning her office, if only to perform her annual sacred ritual of dancing the Sinulog, this time with the Rosquillos Festival dancers of Liloan. For all its depth and meaning, it was a Sinulog dance unlike any other, fully entrusting herself to the mercy of the Santo Niño as she was at the lowest point of her political career. Every step she took was a prayer, imploring the child Jesus to help her weather the storm, for the truth and justice to come to the light. In that moment, she wasn't just a political figure. She was a woman of faith, moving with purpose through the chaos, showing the world that her belief in Santo Niño could never be shaken. The following year, having been elected as Congresswoman representing Cebu's 3rd District, she returned to dance with the San Diego Dance Company, a performance that marked the last time she took the stage for years, as she navigated a new chapter in her life. During the next 6 years that she was a congresswoman, she prayed in silence, her heart ever grateful to the Santo Niño. As fate would have it, she made a successful comeback at the helm of the capital when the Cebuanos elected her to an unprecedented 4th term as Cebu governor in 2019. With her return, she came out of a 5-year hiatus, gracing the Sinulog stage once again in 2020, performing with the Siloy Festival dancers of Alcoy, a magical moment that reconciled her past with a future bright ahead. In consecutive years 2021 and 2022, at the height of the pandemic, live performances of the Sinulog were put on hold. But this did not dampen the governor's festive spirit as she offered the Sinulog dance in front of the Capitol building, with a small group of board members and department heads, dancing not only for Cebu, but for the world's healing in general. In January 2022, just a month after Super Typhoon Odette devastated Cebu, her dance offering to the Señor Santo Niño took on a deeper meaning, praying for Cebu's recovery and restoration. It was a prayer heard, a cry for help that did not go unanswered. In 2023, Governor Garcia brought her act to the 50th Sinulog sa Carmen after the Sinulog Grand Mardi Gras was moved from its usual venue at the heart of the city to the South Road properties. In 2024, she danced at the Sinulog sa Lalawigan with the Sugat Kabanhawan Festival of Nila Nila. And this year, with the Sinulog finally returning to the Cebu City Sports Center after 2 years. Governor Garcia will once again take the stage, this time dancing with the Dagitabnon Festival of the city of Naga, the champion of Pasigarbo sa Cebu 2024. Through the trials, the triumphs, and the tears, Governor Garcia stands as a living testament to the unbreakable power of faith and the healing comfort that the Santo Niño brings to the lives of his faithful devotees. It is in her belief that no storm is too great, no obstacle too strong, when the Holy Child walks beside you, guiding your every step of the way. Viva Pit Senyor sa Cebu kini! Viva! Viva! Viva!
Contingent 21. Ubos sa free interpretation category guest contingent nga mao ang lalawigan sa Cebu, represented tonight by Tribu Dagitabnon sa Dakbayan sa Naga. Kining maong guest contingent panguluhan sa labing unang babaeng gobernador sa Cebu ug numero 1 gobernador sa tibuok Pilipinas, Governor Gwen Garcia.
Joyful and triumphant.
sa mga grasyang nagawan. Tungkol sa kabuti sa kanunay, nagalan ang kahayag sa Naga. Sa Naga, Dagitab, isinggitang Dagitab, kasundayan sa katauhan, pagkalan kong magpasalamat kitang tanan. Dagitab sa ulugod na, Dagitab, magsadya kitang tanan, inumanan sa pagmamahal San Francisco sa Assisi. Isinggitang Dagitab! Kaniadto kang iyong apan karong kahayag na. Sugang Dagitabnon di panagan sa industriya. Nakataga sa'yon sa panimalay o pabigayon kung sa paglamong ekonomikan mo. Dagitab, isinggitang Dagitab, kasundayan sa katauhan, pagkalan kong magpasalamat kitang tanan. Dagitab sa ulugod na, Dagitab, magsadya kitang tanan, inumanan sa pagmamahal San Francisco sa Assisi. Isinggitang Dagitab! Kamahustanan ka aning luto pagkatahon sa gihatag mong kahayag. Kahamong gaway o may kalipay nga maangkon ang tanan tungod sa Dagitab. Sa Dagitab, sa Dagitab, isinggitang Dagitab, kasundayan sa katauhan, pagkalan mong magpasalamat kitang tanan. Dagitab sa ulugod na, Dagitab, magsadya kitang tanan, inumanan sa pagmamahal San Francisco sa Assisi. Isinggitang Dagitab! Dagitab sa Naga! Hey! Kasi, ikaw ang isang Santo Niño. Ikaw ang isahing Sugod ko sa sinulog, kitang tanan ng Pensinyon. Pensinyon, oh Pensinyon, kitang tanan ng Pensinyon. Pensinyon, kitang tanan ng Pensinyon. Senyor ang nanay kini, Senyor ang tatay kini, Senyor ang lola kini, Senyor ang lola kini. Senyor Dagitabnon kini, Senyor sa Nagahanon kini, Senyor ng Santo Niño kini, Senyor sa Subuanon kini, Sinulog.
Daghang salamat o Santo Niño, may support ang gumabot. Ikaw ang hari among Diyos, ang kinabuhi ko, Santo Niño. Salamat, Jesus. Salamat, Jesus.
Viva, Senyor Santo Niño! Viva, Miss Senyor!
Pagkulit sa Cebu, Cebu, kailangan ko sa Cebu. Kaya ang tanan ng kahilusa, nagumuso sa katausa, paluyuhan ang pinagaw, ang Cebu. Cebu, pagkulit sa Cebu, Cebu, kailangan ko sa Cebu. Kaya ang tanan ng kahilusa, nagumuso sa katausa, paluyuhan ang pinagaw, ang Cebu. Cebu, 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 pagkulit sa Cebu, Cebu, kaya matawag ka sa Cebu. Kaya ang tanan ng kahilusa, nagumuso sa katausa, paluyuhan ang pinagaw, ang Cebu. Cebu, pagkulit sa Cebu, Cebu, kaya matawag ka sa Cebu. Kaya ang tanan ng kahilusa, nagumuso sa katausa, paluyuhan ang pinagaw, ang Cebu. Mabuhi ka, Subuano! Viva, Pinsenyor!
Requesting all the mayors of the province of Cebu and the Tri-Cities to join the governor on stage. prop. Costume prop. Daghang salamat. Free interpretation contingent number 21. Guest contingent, Cebu Provincial Government. Represented by Dagita Festival of the City of Naga. Headed by Governor Gwen Garcia. Mayor Valdemar Chong. Vice Mayor Virgilio Chong. Choreographer and Artistic Director.
Alright, we are back mga kabrigada sa Brigada Sinulog 2025 special live coverage. Live na live